What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got a short video for you today. My brother came up from about 2 hours away, brought his whole family, and we got little Daisy right here. She watches a YouTube channel.
Hello.
She wanted to be on it, and they were both going to go for their first ride in Klaus. But you can see the tarp up here because it's been raining non-stop today, and they have to go soon, so we're still going to go for a ride. It's going to be nice and slow, all you Karens out there. She's got a pillow up there. She's strapped into a 5-point harness. We're gonna be just fine. Daisy, you ready for this?
Yes.
You're next to Barry. We got a Roo. We got Justin. He's gonna be our camera guy.
Okay, now we're ready
There's
to
a
go.
bear. Oh,
What?
bear. Oh, I can see Daisy. Hey.
You see me? Hello, people.
Guys, we're back. We're at Ernest. It's a little loud in here, so bear with us. Might have to re-record it, who knows. So Daisy, what'd you think of it?
Well, it was fun.
It was fun?
And I got very wet. It looks like I got out of the shower.
It's very wet. Daddy, what'd you think of it?
It was great. I loved it.
Want to do some more? Oh, look at you. You got a nice little root beer? Of course.
For a second, I thought it was beer.
Yep, it's basically the same. It's not beer. It's not beer, I swear. So we're going to go ahead and have these root beers and head on back.
Getting rained on. I think we collected a little bit of water.
Just a little bit of water.
I did not see that coming. It's like the long run. Get hit by a tarp.
Got it.
Alright, Barry!
There we go.
Are you alright? Don't get hit by that tarp, Barry. We're home. We got this.
We're in the neighborhood now.
It worked long enough. It worked. This is how you travel in a race car during a rainstorm.
Alright, we're back home. We made it in the rain. Nice and safe. Drove slow. Everything's fine. Daisy, what'd you think about it?
Well, Well, I definitely got wetter than all of you.
That's true, you did get a little wet. That's because your hair was flapping in the wind.
No, not really. The cover didn't really cover me. Covered you.
Yeah, that's fine. You're fine. You can get wet.
Yeah.
Got Daddy there. Did you approve?
Oh, it was great. I love it.
Nice and wet.
I got a little bit wet. Not as, not as
so
wet as
cute.
Now
her.
you're wet. Now you're wet. Oh, wait, now you're gonna.
All right, guys. We're going to end it off there. We'll see you next time.